art. Allow us to look at the art. Toodles, is it on your profile or is it on the community page? We'll check it out right now. Ryder Thompson, you're in. Let's look at some art first. Let's go to Toodles. Oh, Toodles! Toodles! Da, 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 da. Wow! Look at this art, guys. Guys, check this out. Check this out. Put your eyes on this. Wow. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me. Yo! Looks just like me. Nice. Thank you, Toodles. That's awesome. All right. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Please skin? What do you mean, please skin? Claudia, what do you mean? Thank you, Toodles. That's awesome. And I agree, Tony. WWW Matt, bro. Dude, Matt is awesome. Matt with that win. That was crazy. Crazy. Crazer, though. Your name is Ryder Grant. Let's get Ryder Grant in here real quick. 2015. Okay, I added you. Doot. Dude, you have the same friends as me? You're friends with Coco Girl 23123? Interesting, Ryder. Me. Who wants to be on the bird stage? Let's check it back. All right, we got our first.